What's up, internet? Gonna do a quick video right now. I just bought this fake akrapovic for my 2025 dr650. Was just tired of that really bad sounding stock one. Wanted something that sounded a little better, and really impressed with the quality of it overall. I have bought these cheaper exhaust off eBay before, and I've always been pleased with them. Wasn't trying to get a whole bunch of power or nothing out of them, but it definitely sounds better. Oh, let me get this thing going here. There you go. It probably sounds a little loud in my shop, but it's not really not that loud on the bike. But it does have the baffle took out of it at this point. Took the baffle. It comes with a baffle. Pretty impressed with it overall so far. The fitment was good. Quality of it looks good. It looks nice. It's not real long. I didn't want one that was real long. I don't like that look. I don't like the look of an exhaust that sticks past the rear fender. It just doesn't look good to me. It was definitely way lighter than what was on there. So just doing this video to help people out that want something they don't got to spend an arm and a leg on. We'll catch you on the next video.